I want to show you two ways how you can clean your hardwood stairs. First, I get a vacuum. Which removes the dust. And then afterwards, you spray clean your hardwood floors. Yep, look at that shine. Yeah. For carpet tip stairs, you use these attachments: a turbo brush and a crevice tool to get in your corners in case you have a small puppy or kitty, which they are adorable, cute. That's my dog Belle right there. She is a shed master. Yep. Well, this video is being forwarded to the Bissell's website. Well, this Bissell is saying, buy more Bissell vacuum cleaners. And thank you for watching.